got all of my fruits onto my Blackstone. Now I'm coming in with 4 sticks of butter, and I'm gonna just put these on top of our fruits here, just a little bit evenly, staggering them to spread. Pure cane sugar. And we're just gonna start spreading this all throughout here on top of our fruits, making a beautiful, gorgeous caramelization. Gorgeous. Now I've got some light brown sugar. This is especially good on the peaches. But today, we are actually going to use this on all of our fruits. It brings such a nice caramelization. The white sugar for a candyization, and the brown sugar for a caramelization. Ooh, I can see these peaches are already getting going there. Our other fruits were frozen. You can use fresh or frozen, whatever you prefer. All right, we're gonna come in with some ground cinnamon here. Just sprinkle this in generously. Obviously, we've got a lot of fruit on our plate. All right, we're just gonna come in with our Hababichi flippers, and we're gonna start flipping and mixing. We are gonna incorporate these fruits. I'm gonna get my butter closer to the griddle here, so that's gonna help caramelize everything with that sugar, that brown sugar. Y'all, we are making the most delicious dessert today. It's perfect for a party. I love making things outdoor in the summer, and especially desserts outdoors in the summer. There is nothing you can't do on this Blackstone that you could do in your regular kitchen. It is so unique, so special, and look at all these gorgeous fruits that we're gonna be serving at our party today. All right, we're just coming in with our pre-mixed cake batter. As you can see, we let all of our fruit start bubbling up and boiling down here. And I am just gonna get all of this batter right on top. This is 3 boxes of Little Debbie extra moist white cake. Now I'm just gonna fill in the crevices. I've got a little bit more pre-mixed cake here. This is 2 more boxes, and that's gonna be enough to cover all of our Blackstone. We're making this super delicious party treat today. Everyone's gonna love this. I love doing these desserts on the Hababichi. It's just so fast, so easy. The best way to make food for a big crowd. All right, I'm just gonna give this a gentle spread over our fruit. It's gonna marbleize just a little bit and make a gorgeous crust and cover right on top here. Ooh, look how beautiful that looks. We just want to make this a little bit more fun and festive, so I'm just going to come in with some of these rainbow marshmallows and do a gentle sprinkling of these mini marshmallows just all over the top of our cake batter here. Ooh, that's so beautiful. It makes it so pretty and festive. And now I've got my special sprinkle mix here. You can just use whatever you have laying around your home, leftover holidays, and combine these. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. Should I get a little bit more on the front there? Perfect. Alrighty, y'all. I'm closing my lid onto my Blackstone, and we're gonna cook this for just about 15 minutes out here. All right, y'all. Our big party cake is cooked. I am just gonna grab myself some ice cream to serve this with. Nothing cuts the sweetness of cake like a little bit of ice cream. And now, I can't wait to show you our beautiful creation. Look at that, isn't it gorgeous? Oh my God, all those rainbow marshmallows and sprinkles in here have just melted up. You can see that our cake is perfectly cooked. Okay, time to get in here, get some of this fruit, some of this cake. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Oh, stunning. That is amazing. So easy, perfect way to feed a group. I am just gonna come in here and grab a nice piece. Ooh, look, I got a beautiful mango there with my cake, with my ice cream. Oh my God, that's so good. Y'all, you gotta try this.